Namaskar, India Meteorological Department welcomes you in Delhi weather briefing. The highlights of the Delhi weather briefing are that the heat wave conditions, isolated pockets have been observed over Gangetic West Bengal, Jharkhand, Odisha, uh, and over Bihar. And these heat wave conditions are likely to continue over these parts of East India during next 4 days. And the heat wave conditions over central and northwest India are likely to begin from today and likely to continue during next 4 5 days. As far as chief amount of rainfall is concerned, so over Araku station of Visakhapatnam, 5 centimeter rainfall has been observed. As far as synoptic systems are concerned, so a trough in mid and upper tropospheric westerlies is running roughly along 86 degree of longitude to the north of 26 degree of latitude, and there is a cyclonic circulation in lower tropospheric levels over Bihar and neighborhood, and a wind discontinuity is extending from eastern parts of Vidarbha to south Tamil Nadu across Telangana and interior Karnataka. So, under the influence of these systems, as there is no currently any active western disturbance over the region, so these heat wave conditions and the westerly winds are prevailing over the plains of North India. So, the heat wave conditions are likely to continue during next 4 5 days over most parts of northwest India, over parts of East India, and over central India as well. So here we can see over Madhya Pradesh and Vidarbha, the heat wave conditions are likely during next 5 days, and over Rajasthan, the heat wave conditions are likely during next 5 days. Over Punjab and Haryana, Chandigarh and Delhi, the heat wave conditions are likely to begin from tomorrow and are likely to continue till 1st of May. And over UP also, the heat wave conditions are likely till 30th of April. And over Gangetic West Bengal, Bihar, Jharkhand, and Odisha, the heat wave conditions are likely during next 4 days up to 30th of April. And from 30th of April, there is a likelihood of incursion of easterly winds over parts of East India and adjoining parts of East UP. So these heat wave conditions are likely to abate from 1st of May, and over western Himalayan region and adjoining plains, there is possibility of a western disturbance which is likely to affect from tomorrow night, that is 28th April night, and under its influence, isolated to scattered light rainfall is likely over western Himalayan region, that is Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit, Baltistan, Muzaffarabad, Himachal Pradesh, and Uttarakhand during 28 during next 5 days. And also thunderstorm and lightning is likely over these three regions during 28th to April to 1st of May, and there is likelihood of thunderstorm lightning along with isolated hailstorms as well on 29th of April over Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh, and over Uttarakhand on 29th and 30th of April. And then again, another western disturbance is likely to affect northwest India from 2nd of May, and which would affect entire north western Himalayan region, would give scattered to fairly widespread light rainfall, and would give over plains Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, and West UP isolated light rainfall. And under its influence, heat wave conditions are likely to abate. And as far as peninsular India is concerned, so over Maharashtra during next 2 days, isolated light thunderstorm activities likely, light to moderate thunderstorm activities likely to continue, and over Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka, isolated to scattered rainfall is likely during next 5 days, with the thunderstorm probability over Kerala during next all 5 days. And over northeast India, the rainfall is likely to increase from 29th of April, when there is a probability of isolated heavy rainfall over Assam and Meghalaya on 29th, 30th April, and 1st of May, and there is probability of heavy rainfall over at isolated places over Arunachal Pradesh on 30th April and 1st of May, and over Manipur and Tripura on 1st May at isolated places. And over Meghalaya, there is a probability of very heavy rainfall on 1st of May, and which may extend to extremely heavy rainfall on 2nd May as well. So that's all for today. Tomorrow we will again meet with Delhi weather briefing for weather warning for next 5 days. Thank you and goodbye.